to partner with the Council of Governors and with the counties in working towards achieving the goals of devolution. So we are one of the platinum sponsors, and we regularly sponsor these events, more as just a statement of how important and how much we value devolution. At the county levels, we work directly with the counties, supporting them at times with their operational working capital requirements. But more importantly, we engage very deeply with the citizens who live in those counties by providing a very broad spectrum of financial services and products. And the way we do it is we do it through the various divisions of the bank, whether it's through providing digital financial services, lending to MSMEs, value chain financing, supporting public-private partnerships, financing contractors, financing businesses in those counties, because the approach that we take is one whereby we feel it's important that every segment of society has access to financial services. And on top of that, we really focus on sustainability. So where we can provide renewable energy facilities for schools, solar lighting, LPG for cooking, we do that. Where we can support projects that protect the environment, we get heavily involved. We have solutions for female-led and made enterprises. That was a program that was launched, I think, in 2022, where as a bank we've committed to disperse up to 250 billion shillings. I think we're more than halfway through that right now. And it's allowed us to ensure that, from a gender equity perspective, we're doing our part.
And we'll come back to discuss the specific programs that you're engaging in. But you've mentioned probably to provide working capital, stuff like that. But the biggest challenge has been delayed disbursements to counties.
Yes.
We understand that most counties are working in a constrained fiscal environment, that they're not able to generate enough own source revenue, but that even the shareable revenue that comes from the central government sometimes is delayed. And we just want to understand, how does KCB come in such instances?
Thank you, Fred. So I think what one has to recognize that, yes, 12 years is it's more than a decade, but it's a relatively short time when it comes to this new form of governance. And so the counties are progressing in building up their own source revenue. And I think you heard the data yesterday, that there has been some impressive growth in various counties. Of course, it's not all level, but we are seeing significant growth overall. And the national government is also doing its part in dispersing funds. Where there are challenges is just the bridge. At times there are delays, There are delays maybe a month, 2 months. I think yesterday you heard that whatever was outstanding as of 30th June was paid. But what we do as KCB, we ensure that we provide a level of working capital to bridge that gap. So if there's a delay of a month or two, we step in, provide the funding on a revolving basis.
Yes. And the challenge therein has been that some counties have been having serious challenges in paying their staff. Is this where you partner with them to provide solutions for that?
Exactly, because as you said, it's more an issue of bridging.
Yes.
Of bridging a delay, And for any county that requires that support, we do provide and are willing to provide for those who may not have approached us yet.
The other challenge has been on pending bills. And this is